If you love tech but hate supply chain issues, then listen up. The Biden-Harris administration has just unveiled a massive plan to boost U.S. semiconductor production. Today, the Biden-Harris administration announced a preliminary deal with Global Wafers to significantly increase U.S. production of silicon wafers. Thanks to up to $400 million in proposed funding from the CHIPS and Science Act, the U.S. could soon have its first domestic source of 300 silicon wafers for advanced chips. This investment aims to create over 2,500 jobs in Texas and Missouri, bolstering America's semiconductor supply chain. Global Wafers will build and expand facilities in Sherman, Texas and St. Peters, Missouri, addressing crucial needs in defense, aerospace, and clean energy sectors. The initiative doesn't just stop at manufacturing. Global Wafers is partnering with local schools and colleges to develop a skilled workforce, ensuring a sustainable future for U.S. technology. Stay tuned as this historic move shapes the future of semiconductor manufacturing in America. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.